National Lesbian and Gay Association, por favor.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. First, let me say we applaud the Canadian government for its participation in the UPR process. We also salute the Netherlands, which has advised Canada to apply the 2006 ILGA principles. Egale Canada's submission to this Council has pointed out the shortcomings of Canada's recent changes to its Refugee Act. Mr. President, the provisions of this Act are now putting countless asylum seekers from close to 80 states in severe risk. Refugees from so-called safe countries of origin who claim persecution based on their sexual orientation or gender identity face refugee hearings that are now dangerously fast-tracked. Moreover, these refugees now have no right to appeal a decision that has rejected their refugee claim. Furthermore, the refugee reforms have given the immigration minister sole responsibility to designate countries as safe for the purposes of reviewing these particular refugee claims. This responsibility must be immediately transferred to an independent expert panel. Mr. Vice President, Belarus has asked Canada to ensure the protection of refugees and members of their families. However, to provide genuine support for such refugees, Canada must ensure that LGBTI families are granted equitable access to our refugee system. Canada's Refugee Protection Act must then be amended to recognize same-sex spouses and LGBTI parents who currently are not recognized by their countries of origin, but would, under Canadian law, be recognized. In closing, should Canada fail to make the changes suggested in this declaration, it will unfortunately remain in violation of international human rights law. Thank you, Mr. President.